Obas, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another one of my videos. As you can see, we have a beautiful new apron today and our new range of polo tops from our friends at CrossRay. What doesn't change is our beautiful cooking, and today we're bringing Greece to Melbourne with some beautiful seafood mezedes. Coming close and you can see I've got some white bait just over here. We've got some small octopodaka, small octopus, some prawns, garides, our beautiful mullet, red mullet over here, barbunaki, calamari here as well, our sardelas, our sardines. Of course over here, our beautiful pinky, our snapper from Port Phillip Bay, our octopodi, beautiful octopodaki, and some beautiful swordfish as well. We're going to cook all this on the CrossRay BBQ with our beautiful frying pans here, and we're going to also make a beautiful salad on the side. Traditional Greek salad, just with tomates and a bit of onion and capsicum and feta. So I'm creating a bit of space here now, because the first thing we're going to cook is our beautiful snapper. Obas, just like that. We've cleaned it and we've put a few lines through it because we don't want to take, we want to cook it all the way through and we don't want to take too much time. So on the CrossRay BBQ, it's sitting at about 300 degrees, and with our beautiful snapper, we're going to use the top grill. So what we're going to do, because we don't want it to stick, and this is one of the little secrets, is put a bit of olive oil. Yes, a bit of ladhi. And you do it like this. Just straight like this. Opas. That's it. We'll put a bit of salt and pepper as well, just on top. Opas. And we'll turn it over as well. And of course, a bit of salt and pepper on the inside. Just like this. So the key here of the olive oil on a hot grill is to avoid breaking up any of the skin. So I'm just going to rub that in, just like this. Opas. And if you watch some of my other videos, you'll see I've done bigger snappers, but today it's just a little one. So there we go, just like that. The whole point today is to cook all this food for you in around 10 minutes. And the plan is that when your friends come and your visitors come for some mezedes, you cook it all in front of them. You don't prepare it all early, and all this food that I'm cooking here does not take more than around 5 or 6 minutes to cook. So here is our beautiful snapper, just like that. And we're going to use this olive oil again on the other fish, so we're not going to throw it away. So come in close, just here, and you'll hear me, and you'll hear it now, just on the top grill. Listen carefully. Opas. There we go, beautiful. So we're going to leave that there, and we're going to continue, because we've got our octopus, just like this. Put it in the olive oil. Put a bit of salt and pepper on it as well. Opas. Just like this. And we're going to marinate. And we've got our calamaraki here, our calamari. We'll put that next to there as well. And we'll put a bit of salt and pepper just here. And of course we'll put the rigani at the end. So there we go. These aren't going to take long. The fish is going to take the longest. So we're just going to leave there while we start preparing everything else. Now, come in close and have a look at what's happening. I've put on my frying pans, and as you can see on the CrossRay BBQ, the fact that with the latest technology of the heat strip that it has, it won't destroy your frying pans. And you can do plenty of cooking. Of course, you always got to be safe with oil, but as you can see, I've had them on for about 2 or 3 minutes now. The snapper is cooking up the top. We've got our octopus and calamari here, and now it's all about getting the rest of the fish ready. Of course, we're going to be putting some flour on it when we fry our fish. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to quickly make our salad while everything else is warming up. I'll show you how we're going to do that. We'll put that aside, just at the front there. We're going to keep our salad very traditional. In Greece, there's very varieties, but this is one of the very traditional tomato salads you can make. You just cut it like this, cut your tomatoes like this, put it in like that, just like this. Beautiful. Pile it in, just like that. You can see these tomatoes have come straight from Yaya and Bapu's barbecue backyard, because they're all out of shape, but they're beautiful. Look at them, all opsika, as they say. So we're going to have this beautiful tomato salad as a mezet on the side, and I think that would be enough. We'll put that one back. We're going to put a little bit of onion, just like this. Beautiful. How things are going? Yep, things are going great. We've got our bit of pepperilla, just like this. we'll cut it in half and then just cut some slices. You can cut it any way you like. We're going to keep it quite simple, just like this. And of course, at the end, in our fridge, with the CrossRay BBQ, you get this little side fridge as well if you want to buy the pack. And what we'll do here is just cut a bit of feta, put it like this, grab a few Kalamata olives, and there. And we're just preparing now while everything else is happening behind us. Warming up, bit of beautiful rirani, just like this on top. And of course, we can't forget a beautiful olive oil. Oh, bus. Look at that. Look at that beautiful salad. That's how simple it is to make a beautiful, traditional Greek salad. Just like that. Okay, so the next step is now to start cooking in our frying pans. The frying pans are ready, and I've tested it by putting one of these little white baits. And have a look. Look at it go. See it bubbling? That tells me that the oil is all ready. So, we're on a bit of a timer here because we've got so many things to cook. And then we've got to prepare at the same time. So I'm going to start just putting some small plates just like this to help me out as we're preparing. So put this just here as we go. So the first thing we're going to do is do a little octabodaga. Straight into the flour, just like this. And we'll put them straight into our frying pan. Pick a frying pan, just here like that. There we go. Grab a couple of those, just like this. Put them in. Just like that. There we go. Look at this beautiful mezet coming. Beautiful fresh seafood from our friends Mezethes at Preston Market in Melbourne. The next one we'll get is our marida. We'll do that one last, I think, and I'll explain to you why in a minute. We'll put that there, and then we'll grab our sardeles. Put our sardeles in, again, just simply like this. One there. Beautiful sardeles, look at them, beautiful. So here's our beautiful barbuni. We'll put that up the back there. Come and have a look in, come in close and have a look at that cooker. Beautiful, look at that. Amazing. So I've never done it like this. So I'm hoping I'm going to get my timing right. I hope I'm going to get my timing right on all this beautiful food. Some of it can be eaten cold as well, so it's okay. I can't fit any more. So we'll just leave those two there. And these sardines can stay there as well. Beautiful. Alright, let's have a look. We've got some beautiful sardines. Come in close and let's turn some of these over. A beautiful octabodaki here. Beautiful, look at that. Excellent. Beautiful, there we go. Look at that. The beautiful sardines. You don't want to overcook your sardines, so just dry. There we go. And our calamari over here. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Excellent. It's working out, sweetheart. I think we're there. It's amazing. I wasn't sure if I was going to pull this one off, guys, but it's getting there. At the back now, I am going to put the octopus. So I'm just going to grab it like that. And we're going to put it up the back. Just there. Oh, fast. Look at that. Oh, look at it smoke up. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we have the calamari as well. Just here. We will put that just the back here. Beautiful. There we go. We'll bring our pan a little bit forward. And we'll just cook that little bit there as well. Oh, fast. That's amazing. There we go. So, here we go. We better turn over some more fish. Come over. Time is ticking. The clock is ticking. Beautiful. There's our beautiful mullet, barbuni as we call it in Greece. And of course, our octabodaki. Just like that in our calamari. Our maridas won't take long to cook. Either will our marida. So we're going to leave them for a couple more minutes. Okay, we're back now. So let's quickly turn over the calamari. Look at it up the back. It's only been a couple of minutes. And the octopus as well. Look at that. Beautiful. Just cooking away in the back. Oh, perhaps, look at that. Look at that beautiful octabodaki. And while we're here, before we start plating up, we're just going to turn over the snapper. Let's just have a look to see what's happening. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful snapper. Opas. Look at that. Amazing. So, now we're going to plate up a little bit. Oh, that's a little bit warm. So we'll just catch this, just like this. There we go. We've got a beautiful, beautiful red mullet just here. And because we're cooking all fish, you can still use the same oil for the next fish. And we just put that just there for now. Beautiful. And over here we have our calamari. That's still going well. And of course, what I've done is I've just put in the last couple of rokta bodega in here. Okay, here we go. We've got a beautiful calamari. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's just put it in here. Oh, look at that. You don't want to overcook calamari either. We've been going for about 6-7 minutes now on the CrossRay BBQ. All our beautiful seafood. And as you can see, I've started plating up already our beautiful sardeles. We've got our mullet. And we've also got our beautiful, what else have we got there? Our mullet. So I've got the podagi here. I've also got my calamari now done. So let's prepare that. Just there. And we're getting there. We're getting slowly. So we've got one more pan there that we haven't filled because we've got our marida. And our marida and our 4 prawns. Now with our marida, what we're going to do is we're going to just put it into the flour because this is the last thing that we're using for the flour. And just mix it up like that. And that's what you do with the marida. They call it white bait as well. So there we go. And we'll put that in there and we'll fry that up. And you can call this fish and chips because when you fry them, they end up being like chips. Well, here we are. We're nearly there. I'm just cleaning my hands a little bit from the flour using the fantastic CrossRay sink and the bench. And just like that. So, as you can see, we've got one more thing to put on, which is our beautiful mezedes, our prawns. So I'm just going to put them on the side, just like that. These won't take long, just a couple of minutes. Opas, just like that. And while we're scanning the CrossRay BBQ now, we obviously need to look at our octabodi, and I reckon that's ready. Opas, look at that. Look at that beautiful octabodi. And where we're going to put that? Maybe here? I reckon on the square one. Just over here. Just like that. And that's how we're going to serve that. A nice big piece like this. And then we have our beautiful marida. Just here. And I think we're one short of plates. But that's okay. We'll work all that out. And then we have our beautiful marida just here. So there we go. And our marida will just go on this plate. Like chips. Here we are. We quickly turn our mezedes over, just like that. And of course, you can peel them if you like. You can take their heads off, or you can peel the back and just take and leave the heads on as well. You can do them any way you like. Oh, and look here, magically a new plate arrives. So there we have it. So we've got our plate for our beautiful prawns, our mezedes, as we call them in Greek, and we're ready to plate our snapper, if you ask me. So what we'll do is while we're quickly getting ready for the prawns, we will just grab the snapper, just like this. We've broken the tail, and then we'll put it on the plate. Just like that. And that's what I want. I want it like this. Look at that beautiful snapper there. All cooked on the CrossRay BBQ on the top, while we've been cooking all these other meals on the bottom of the barbecue. So there we have it. Opas. Oh, I love this. Look at it go. All right, now let's finish it all off. Close the CrossRay BBQ. Turn it off, and let's start. We're going to start with a little bit of limoni on our beautiful snapper. Bit of limoni here as well. Everywhere. The more limoni you put, the better. There we have it as well. And of course, our octabodi over here. So we'll clean the table in a minute, but let's just get everything that we need on here. We've got our beautiful oleolado, our olive oil, just like this. Bit of olive oil on our prawns, and our snapper, and of course our calamari. There we have it. Of course, a bit more salt and pepper on our calamari on the top. our snapper, our octapodi, and there we have it. Now one thing that we didn't put is our rigani. So we'll put our rigani now, just like that. It is a bit windy, so we're just going to be careful here. And rigani here as well. There we have it. Put our salt and pepper away, like that. And of course, you can put anything you like on this. Bit of decoration, just like this. Opas, there we go. Bit of parsley, it always goes. Parsley with all these meals. Traditional Greek seafood. Grab yourself a lemon. Now all up, to be honest everyone, this has taken me around 15 minutes. So you could have had your guests. The guests would have helped you as well. Just like this. Okay. Your guests would have helped you. And it might have taken you a bit less time. But that's okay. One there and one there as well. So there we have it. Opas, Jack the Greek, here we are. Where do we start? A beautiful Greek style Mediterranean meze with a beautiful salata. Thanks to Yaya and Papu, my mum and my dad, for growing it in their backyard. The beautiful tomatoes. So what we have here, let's summarize. Octapodi, some octopus, some red mullet, barbuni, some marida, whitebait, our calamari, our octapodaki, sardeles, which is our sardines, our calamari, our snapper. We spoke about our Greek salad, and of course our prawns. All cooked on the CrossRay BBQ using both the grill and a few frying pans. What an idea to open the orexi from all your guests when they come over for dinner. Thanks again for watching. I'm Jack the Greek. Bye-bye.